So happy morning everyone and welcome to day 21 of our magic book journey.
Good morning.
We are about to
Happy
complete
morning.
our third week and step
Morning.
week.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy morning. Awesome.
Magical day 21.
Yes. Magical day. Every day is magical, but yes, 21 is beautiful number, complete number. अगर कोई भी habit को अगर हमको change करना होता है तो we do it for 21 days for a new neuro pathway to be created in the brain, in the nervous system. So yes, thank you for bringing it, Hina ji. Thank you. And so when we say I can, I must, I am, this is a very powerful affirmation which we are saying every day. I'll start the record. Yeah, it's recorded. So I am happy. I am joyful. I am loving. I am caring. I am passionate. You know, you can add so many things. So I am, I am, I am. You can add anything, whatever you want to. I can do it. I am the winner. So many things you can, आप अपने आप खुद के लिए you can create an affirmation. And then you can start your day saying this, on and off during the day you can say this. So when we start our day saying this, actually we do remember during the day, kuch bhi hua, no, I can, I am intelligent, I am beautiful. Yeah, so just it will keep on coming. That's the reason we are doing this. And that's the reason it says that it's the peak state of performance. The brain is in its peak state early in the morning before you actually start your normal day. So otherwise also you can just start your day when you wake up. Just do this, you know, after maybe you count your blessings, you can do this every day. Make it a habit. Yes. So till day 30th, we'll be doing this, and then after that, you can also carry on. Yes, so how was it when we did heart magic yesterday, and how was it for everyone? You practice your top 10 desires, your dream list, and you practice heart magic on each one of them. So, kaisa tha? How was your experience? Anybody would like to share? You can unmute yourself and share. Chandrika, how was it?
It was very amazing. I never felt my heart like this way before. It was very bright.
Okay.
And feeling was very great.
And after doing the top 10 desires on the heart magic, वो किया था दिन में?
Not top 10 desires, but I touch my heart and I give thanks.
No, the magical practice was that ना कि वो जो day 13 में जो लिखा था उसको हर एक को लेके you had to practice heart magic. You didn't do that?
So I didn't do, but I just touch my heart and I just give thanks 2-3 times.
So do it today. Do it today. Okay? Yeah?
Very beautiful, but
Okay. Thank you.
the meditation was very beautiful.
मैंने उसका recording भेजा है अलग से.
Yes, I saw that recording also, and I have passed to my one friend. She likes so much. Very nice.
Thank you. You can give it to as many people as you want to. जितने लोगों को आप देना चाहते हो, and it's a very good thing to do now, you know, at this hour where we are. Yes. Anybody else wants to share anything?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Yesterday visualization was the best visualization I did. Kal after visualization, I was in my subconscious mind for more than 30 minutes after that. After visualization, मैंने तुरंत ही मेरा heart magic वही state में I was doing it, and all the desires came in my mind automatically, and I was taking one and I was thanking. Then it came second, I was thanking, and I felt really very nice. And in the afternoon, suddenly the doorbell rang, and my younger kid went and came and said, "Mama, आपने कोई plant मंगाया है?" मैंने बोला नहीं, किसी को नहीं बुलाया. बोले कोई अंकल आए प्लांट लेके आपके लिए. Then when I went there, they बोले it is for gift from the where my elder son studies. वो इंस्टीट्यूट ने हर एक मॉम को एक प्लांट गिफ्ट किया है. And I
Wow.
was so excited कि मैंने आज सुबह से मतलब early morning I started with trees and heart, and I like plant very much. बहुत पसंद है मुझे plants. And I got that gift. मतलब best gift ever I got. इतनी
Wow.
मैं खुश हो गई कि मुझे आज के ही दिन प्लांट मिला. मैं सुबह से प्लांट के बारे में सोच रही थी, हार्ट के बारे में सोच रही थी. And they asked us to click a photograph and send to their institute. तो मैंने उनको फोटो भेजा, मैंने साथ में उनको थैंक्स लिख के भेजा. तो आई रोट दैट कोट, द ट्रीज आर चाइल्ड ऑफ द मदर अर्थ, एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू गिफ्ट मी such a beautiful plant to nurture with love and care. So
Wow.
the teacher was so excited to hear this. She called me back. She gave me a message कि beautifully written. सबने thanks तो बहुत लोगों ने लिखा है, मगर आपने बहुत अच्छे से मुझे explain करके लिखा है. इतना मुझे कल पूरा दिन मुझे इतना मतलब इतनी खुशी हुई कि मुझे आज प्लांट किसी और ने गिफ्ट किया है. हर बार मैं खुद जाती हूँ, खुद लाती हूँ. आज मुझे किसी और ने दिया. It was really very nice. कल रात को मेरा बेस्ट थिंग रॉक के साथ भी यही हुआ, और मैं उसी के बारे में सोच रही थी कि मुझे ट्री मिला, इतना अच्छा प्लांट मिला, इतना अच्छा प्लांट मिला है.
Yeah.
I would like to share that picture, plant
Yeah.
picture they have. I will
Please.
share it.
And nurture it with love and care. आप
Yeah,
जब
it-
पानी डालोगे, खाद डालोगे उसमें, and you can actually talk to the plant. आप
Yeah, I
बातें भी
talk
कर
to
सकते
them.
हो.
I talk to them. और जब भी हम पानी डालते हैं तो मैं नवकार मंत्र गिन के ही डालती हूँ. It is habit given from me from my grandfather. जब मैं मम्मा के घर पे थी तो we have lots of plant, और मेरे दादाजी सबकी केयर लेते थे. तो उन्होंने इतने अच्छे से सबको वो सबको इतने अच्छे से मैनेज करते थे, इतने अच्छे से प्यार से सबके. तो वही देख के इट केम इन माय माइंड. जब मैं यहाँ आई तो किसी को प्लांट अच्छे नहीं लगते थे घर पे, मगर मैंने एक एक लाना शुरू किया तो मेरे ऊपर वाले नीचे वाले अंकल आंटीज है, वो लोग भी अभी प्लांट लाते हैं. उन्होंने भी अपने बालकनी में लगा दिए अच्छे से. तो आई टॉक टू देम लाइक माय चाइल्ड.
Very good, very good. Really beautiful. See, you're getting cues from the universe now before we are actually going to the
Yeah.
chapter. Beautiful. Lovely.
Thank
Thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much. Yeah. Anybody else wants to share? Vartika, were you there yesterday?
No, I missed yesterday.
Did you hear the recording?
Not yet, not yet. I couldn't do it yesterday.
Okay. So you don't know what we did yesterday. So if you can hear the recording today.
No. I'll do that.
Yeah. Okay. Everything all right now, Vartika? Vartika, all well?
Yeah, like Badima had taken her second dose, so she was like a little unsettled at night.
Acha, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. What about others? Anybody has anything to share? Okay, सब लोगों ने किया था कि नहीं किया था? Just write yes, no on the chat.
I would
Did
like
you all-
to share.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, while in the visualization, I felt the blue-white light, which I don't receive. मैं कितना ही meditation कर लूं, मुझे कभी blue-white light का feeling नहीं आता है so prominently. Yesterday it was magical for me because I received it for the first time and I could feel it very clearly. I could see it very clearly. So it began from there only.
Yeah.
Then after the session, I went down for a walk with my husband, which never happens. And he was ready to go with me. So we went and we have a very beautiful entrance. And वहाँ पे building के entrance में से आते हैं जाते हैं ना तो बहुत positivity मिलती है. तो I definitely go for a walk on that side. वहाँ पे बहुत पेड़ है, बहुत plants है, पेड़ है. There is one very old tree. And I for the first time observed that tree. मतलब मैं उसको देख, लेकिन कल मैंने देखा जब उसके tree it's very high. तो उसके ऊपर जो ब्रांचेस है वो ब्रांचेस ऐसे भी फैल रहे हैं horizontally भी and vertically also the branches as if a new tree is rising on that branch. It was very beautiful. I wish I had my phone at that time. I would have clicked it. It was amazing and I was like, kitna pyar, kitna ye, and it was as if it is going to touch the sky. It is growing that beautifully, that high. Ek branch pe dusra branch, like there are stories of branches which are growing horizontally और उन्हीं के ऊपर vertically भी वो झाड़ उग रहे हैं. तो I was with that throughout the day. Also, I did my magical practice in which I was feeling as if I have actually started receiving what I'm dreaming of. There was
Very good.
very beautiful ambience in the house, so much of laughter, so much of fun. There was, the vibrations in the house have changed for me. I am so happy. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And is everybody else also feeling, did anybody else also told you that we are feeling a change in the vibrations? Anybody else also experienced in the house?
Yeah. Yes.
No, Shikha, I'm asking you, did anybody else also experience in your house that, you
Nobody
know,
told me this. Nobody has told me this, but I wanted to share my father-in-law, the vision board I made. He is actually going and seeing it more than I am doing it.
Okay.
But I can feel it from, I haven't mentioned it to you, but I can feel there is a change in the vibrations of the house with the behavior of everybody. So
Awesome.
I'm like, yes, thank you.
Lovely, lovely. Thank you for sharing this. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, anybody wanted to share? Anybody else wanted to share? Okay, so then we can start today's chapter. Today's chapter is magnificent outcome. I really enjoy saying this word, magnificent. Every time I say, I don't know, I really feel magnificent, feel happy, something within me shifts. I don't know what is. So every word has a vibration of its own, and this word really shifts something within me. So magnificent is actually, if in Hindi, if you say behatreen parinam, outcome is parinam. And in English, you can also say beautiful. So this word is really, this beautiful word is really beautiful. And it really, you can also say and feel the vibration of this word. See if you can also feel something shifting within you. And this chapter is really, really beautiful. Today is, from tomorrow onwards, we're going to step into the 4th week of our magic book journey. And I really don't believe how 3 weeks passed, and it was really amazing, really amazing. Every day was a beautiful day, is a beautiful day, and especially this chapter. So let's start reading this chapter. Who wants to read today's chapter?
Can I read?
Yes, read. Yeah. So yeah, look at the picture first. Let me just show you. 1 second. So actually, till now, we have done gratitude for some reason, all the previous chapters. And now we are going to practice gratitude for every movement and action. जो भी हम करेंगे, जो भी actions होंगे, movements होंगे हमारे day-to-day life में, we are going to practice gratitude on that. And you have an opportunity, all of us have an opportunity to give as much gratitude as we can. Anywhere it fits in anywhere, and we'll discover where and how it fits in. And there's no limit to it. We already heard on day 0 that gratitude, it has no limits and it is portable. You can take it anywhere you go. So we are actually going to experience this today in this chapter. And even when you are writing, count your blessings. You can end with this. So as we go through the chapter, you'll understand how you can end. Yes. So let's look at the picture. Everyone must be looking at the picture other than, hearing me. I know. So you're very inquisitive to look into the picture and say what is there. Just enter this picture. It's a magnificent picture. Just enter inside it and see, feel, and then say.
Can I say?
Yes.
एक बड़ा सा कमरा है
हाँ.
और इसमें इतने सारे ग्रेटिट्यूड से वो भरा हुआ है जो उसका दरवाजा खुलते ही सब ग्रेटिट्यूड बाहर आ रहा है.
ओके.
जैसे अपने आप का खुद का मैं सोच रही हूँ कि अगर ये दरवाजा जो आपने हमें ओपन करके दिखाया है, अब हम पूरी लाइफ तक ग्रेटिट्यूड पे करते ही रहेंगे, हर एक चीज में से ग्रेटिट्यूड ढूंढ के हम उसको पे करते रहेंगे.
ओके. ग्रेटिट्यूड बाहर आ रहा है. ओके, वेरी गुड. ओके.
Can I share? Hina.
Yes, Manjusha ji, very interesting what you shared. Really beautiful. Yes, Hina ji.
Thank you.
I said door is open and inside. अंदर की बार डोर खुल रहा है.
Yeah.
So magic is already there and we entered in magic world.
Okay. Yes.
और पीछे की साइड पे एक विंडो दिखाई दे रही है. मीन्स विंडो है या डोर है, तो उसके पीछे भी कुछ है. मतलब आगे भी एंड नहीं है, उसके आगे भी कुछ दिखाई दे रहा है. मीन्स आई थिंक सो इट्स मैजिक.
Yeah. So we
can say that magic never ends.
Yeah.
Can I add something?
Yes.
Yeah. तो हिना जी ने जो बोला ना कि अंदर की तरफ दरवाजा खुला है, हम लोग ये वर्ल्ड में मतलब एंटर हो गए हैं और इसके पीछे जो दरवाजा है वो हमें इसके आगे ले जाने के लिए है. थ्रू द ग्रेटिट्यूड वी कैन गो अहेड.
हाँ, मैजिक आगे है तो अपग्रेड हो रहे हैं हम.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली.
ओके. नाइस. यस.
विथ अपनी वो क्या बोलते हैं, इंट्यूशन पावर के साथ, अपने इमेजिनेशन पावर के साथ.
ओके.
ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि ये तो शुरुआत है, देखो आगे तो क्या होता है, कितना कुछ होता है.
ओके. यस.
ये डोर है ना, एक बिग साइज है, मतलब बहुत बड़ा डोर है, तो अपने लिए कि अपॉर्चुनिटी का द्वार पूरा खुल गया है.
ओके.
आई फील लाइक जब हम हर एक फील्ड में हमारे जो दरवाजे हमने बंद कर दिए वो हम जैसे जैसे खोलते हैं वैसे हमारे अंदर ग्रेटिट्यूड बढ़ता ही जाता है एंड वी स्टार्ट रिसीविंग एवरीथिंग व्हाट वी वांट. आउटकम्स अभी आने लग गए ऐसे.
यस. सो व्हेन यू से ना कि सो जस्ट
वंदना जी, हमने हमारा न्यू वेश अपना न्यू पाथ हमने खोल दिया, उस पर हम चल पड़े हैं, ऐसा बोल सकते हैं.
यस. ठीक है. ओके.
After 21 days practice, we have entered very deeply in with gratitude.
Yes. Okay. That's why day 21. Okay. Very good. Awesome.
I feel this is one door like in which you like all your belief, your own self gets dissolved and only magic remains.
Yes. Okay. All your belief gets dissolved and only
like,
magic remains.
Yeah, like everything gets dissolved and only that power remains.
So don't say all your beliefs. Limiting beliefs gets dissolved and empowering beliefs start.
Okay.
So if you say all your beliefs, then all will dissolve. That's also very nice. That's the ultimate, that's the final state when everything dissolves. So if we say that our empowering beliefs are there, and we can walk on this path with our empowering beliefs, जो beliefs हमें power देते हैं, strength देते हैं.
Right.
Okay, yeah, beautiful. Yes. Yes. Anyone else?
20 दिन तक हमने जो प्रैक्टिस की है वो ग्रेटिट्यूड की, इसके अब ये मैजिकल डोर ओपन हो गया है और इसके रिजल्ट आने के शुरू हो गए हैं हमारे साथ.
Yeah, and result कौन लाता है?
Universe. Gratitude.
Gratitude. And who does that? Who makes
Universe.
it happen?
यूनिवर्स. यूनिवर्स.
हमने यूनिवर्स की तरफ अपना एक स्टेप बढ़ा दिया है, तो अब वो अनगिनत अपॉर्चुनिटीज के साथ वहीं पे खड़े, उन्होंने हमारा हाथ पकड़ लिया है.
Yes. हमने यूनिवर्स के सामने अपनी हमने पहल की. It started from us. We only made it happen. We chose to make it happen. And how are we going to do it? This chapter is going to guide us into it. That today's chapter is going to guide you. I mean, you can decide how you can practice the outcomes you want in your life. वो सब हमारे हाथ में ही है कि हमें क्या outcome चाहिए. छोटी सी छोटी चीज के लिए हमें क्या result चाहिए, it's there in our hands. And whether it's in your business, whether it's in your relationship, whether it's in the area of your health, या किसी और के हेल्थ के बारे में आपको कुछ, you can just give a magical outcome. And I was observing this yesterday myself. I was observing that anyways we give a outcome in our mind already. For example, if somebody is not well, some very close relative, very close person of yours, maybe somebody in your house is not well. The moment you hear कि उनको 1 degree temperature हो गया है, or the person is coughing, or there's a headache, and something else is happening, the body is paining, what is the first thought that comes? You start visualizing that what the person will whatever कुछ भी, शायद कुछ, क्या पता क्या होगा, oxygen level drop हो जाएगा, the person will be hospitalized, and all these stories you start making in the mind, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, no?
Yeah. Yes.
Because वही दिमाग में घुसा हुआ है, वही दिमाग में भरा हुआ है. Of course, whatever the practices we are doing, with that, sometimes we just, not sometimes, most of the times we disconnect with it, but the very thought is that only. So I was observing that, okay, so what are we doing when we are thinking like that? हमने एक negative outcome डाल दिया है अपने दिमाग में. But now we have to learn to give magnificent outcomes. So that time, just catch yourself. ऐसे just catch yourself and lift yourself and say, what are you doing? So when we are in this magical journey of gratitude, अब हमको शायद वो, immediately the next moment you will stop yourself, isn't it? एक बार शायद वो thought आएगा because of the habit. You can say we all are psychological antiques. मतलब हमारी साइकोलॉजी इतनी पावरफुल हो जाती है, बिलीफ इतनी पावरफुल हो जाती है कि जो नेगेटिविटी है वो सबसे पहले अंदर जाती है, और वो of course with practice we are changing this, and that's what we are doing in this journey. But then first that comes, but the most beautiful part is that you can just catch yourself there and come out of it. That's the beauty of this whole practice. Is it making sense to you all? Whatever I just said, does it make sense?
Yes.
Are you connecting with it? So it just happens. But now you know how to come out of a situation or a thought or a feeling through gratitude. So what do you do at that time? Just be grateful. 2-3 चीजें आप बोलोगे grateful. Just look around you. I'm so grateful for these walls. I'm so grateful for the house. I'm so grateful for the floor I'm sitting on. Anything, 2-3 चीज बोलोगे, and then your mind changes. Then you start creating magnificent outcomes, that the person is fine, the person is running a marathon, we are going for a holiday together, we are sitting and enjoying and celebrating together. So then you give magnificent outcomes like that. Okay, so this is the beauty of today's chapter, and we start reading the chapter. Yeah.
You say grace before meals, all right, but I say grace before the concert and the opera. Concert and the opera. And grace before the play and the pantomime, and grace before I open a book, and grace before sketching, painting, swimming, fencing, boxing, walking, playing, dancing, and grace before I dip the pen in the ink. G.K.
Chesterton.
Chesterton, 1874 to 1936 writer.
Yes.
We all
Yeah, we'll pause here because this is a really beautiful para, and it sets the tone of the entire chapter. वो पूरी chapter में हमें क्या मिलने वाला है? It sets the tone, and all these lines, all these beautiful lines before any chapter, they set the pace of the entire chapter. So we have another word for gratitude is grace. Grace मतलब क्या होता है कि the divine grace. We say ना the divine grace, which is the energy of the divine. So just anybody, can you look in the dictionary what is the meaning of grace?
The Hindi meaning
English,
is daya.
Gujarati, anything? Yeah,
Hindi meaning is daya.
daya. You saw in the dictionary?
No, not now, but I was aware about it.
No, just look into the dictionary once.
Okay.
Hindi meaning is kripa.
Daya, kripa. Okay.
Kripa, and so you know, at times we understand the words differently, but when we look into the dictionary ना, इसका meaning बिल्कुल कुछ अलग ही निकल के आता है. So
in English,
yes,
in English it is the smooth, in a way, the ability to move in a smooth and controlled way.
Okay. Anything else?
Akarshak. Akarshak.
Akarshak is grace.
Yes.
In which Hindi?
Gujarati word.
Akarshak. Okay. Acha. Okay. Okay. So grace is kripa, or we can, you know, we can also, I mean, it leads us to gratitude, isn't it? Kritagyata. Yes. Yes. Anybody? Do you
Extra
feel?
time. Another meaning is extra time that is allowed for something. Mohalat.
Extra time that is allowed for something. Okay.
मोहलत देते हैं ना हम, that is grace.
Yes, yes. Okay.
You give grace time to someone.
Okay.
The other meaning is that.
Okay. So yes, so all this leads us to, you know, feeling in your heart. The feeling is really different when you say grace, kripa. You know, तो कृपा मतलब क्या? किसकी कृपा? किसकी कृपा? So you just say in your mind, किसकी कृपा? कृपा मतलब you always think of God, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So anybody else? You think? हाँ जी.
Spiritual meaning of grace is mercy.
Mercy. Okay. Okay. Huh. Okay. So these lines are telling us that, okay, you must have till now, you must have said grace before your meals, all right. But there is, I mean, you can say it before any time you go to a concert. So these are all happy moments in your life. You know, when you go to a concert or an opera. Concert मतलब संगीत समारोह, और opera मतलब you know वही चीज होता है, but कुछ अलग वे से, like you know, opera is a bigger version of a संगीत समारोह, and the play and pantomime is मूक अभिनय जो होता है ना, जिसमें खाली expressions होते हैं without any words, and body का movement होता है, facial movements होता है, that is called pantomime. So all these actually, when we go and see, and when we experience, whether it's a concert or an opera or a play, when we go to see a play, you know, and so before you actually go, before you actually do these things as sketching, painting, swimming, fencing, boxing, walking, playing, dancing, and you just give a outcome that it will be really beautiful. I'm going to enjoy. I'm going to be happy. I'm going to be joyful. And I mean, I am joyful. You could one step ahead, you can say that. And So you, before that thing, before you enter into that thing, as we saw in the picture, before you enter into a door, you know that it is going to be beautiful. It's going to be magnificent. So supposing you have a fear of water when you go to swim, and but the desire is there to learn. I've seen many people when they go in water and that fear is there of water. Anybody of you who has fear of water over here?
Yes.
My husband has a lot.
Okay, so let's talk about ourselves. If you have any fear of water just now, so so when you next time when you step into the water, if you get a chance, just say this water is so beautiful, and it's so magical, and it's glorious. Remember, water everywhere, glorious water. And I know my body is made up of 70% water, and this water is there right here, and it's showing me how my body looks from inside. And I'm so grateful for this water, for giving me so much peace, for giving me so much strength, for giving me the life, giving me so many things. So just, when you talk and give a magnificent outcome, and then when you step into the water, you can try whenever you get a chance now. Okay, so supposing you're going in a sea or an ocean, or you've gone for a holiday and you just want to step into the pool. Before I just say this, and then see, you will actually become friends with that element. Okay, so then when there's a different understanding, and when you're given a magnificent outcome that, wow, I'm really enjoying in the water. This water is making me so cool and calm, and it's every cell of my body, every joints of my body are feeling the water, and every joints are becoming free. So like this, you have to create magnificent outcomes in your mind. And how, and there are many ways how you can do it. You're going to go through the chapter and understand that. Yes, please continue.
We all want good outcomes to everything we do. In giving thanks before he performed an action, the writer Gilbert K. Kestrel used the magic of gratitude to guarantee the outcome he wanted. You will have had times when you thought to yourself, I hope this goes well, or I hope this turns out okay, or I'm going to need a lot of luck. All these thoughts are hoping for a good outcome to a situation. But life doesn't happen by chance or because of a stroke of a luck. The law of universe operates mathematically to the finest possible degree. That is something you can count on.
Yes, so anything what you wish for, now you have to decide. Now you really have to be careful, because whatever you wish for, now the law of attraction says your wish is my command, tathastu. So now we can use this for creating a magnificent outcomes in our lives, that whatever I'm wishing for, whether it's in thoughts or words, even if it's in thoughts, and when you think, actually you're continuously feeling that thought. So now you have to really be conscious of what you're thinking, what you're feeling, and what you're saying. Just so now, after today's chapter, it will take you to a different space where you can just create something. You can just become a creator of your life, of every moment of your life, if you use this practice of magnificent outcome. And most important is that not just saying for the sake of saying, but feeling it and saying. So you have to pause at that moment and then create an outcome, and then see what happens before that thing is actually going to happen in your life. Please continue.
A pilot does not hope that the law of physics will keep working during his flight, because he knows the law of physics will never fail. You don't go into your day and hope that the law of gravity will keep you on the ground so you don't float off into space. You know there's no chance at play and gravity's law will never fail.
Yes, so isn't
If
it
you
so interesting that does the pilot hope when he's sitting in the cockpit and he's about to take off, and does he think in his mind that, oh, I don't know whether the law of physics, the law of gravity is going to work or not, and whether the I'll be able to take the flight off, or maybe it will just be gliding on the ground. I don't know. Does the pilot think like that? No, it just is, and he knows that it is, and it has happened many times, and it is there, it's a law. So, and I mean, like that, similarly, you don't go into your day and hope that the law of gravity works. Like whether I'll be able to walk on the ground, or am I going to float in the space? Is there a chance that I will just, fall down? Because, all these, so this thought is never there, right? Right now, also, if I tell you just stand and walk, the earth will support you and you will be walking very smoothly. Or if I tell you to just stand up and jump, and when you jump, your feet will land on the floor only. It will not just remain in the air. So there is no chance at play. And this is so these laws actually tell us that if these laws are working anywhere else, they work on your thoughts and feelings and emotions also, and also your words. So continuously we are using this law. Continuously we are using the law of attraction and the law of gravity. Let's see how we can use it to our maximum as we read further.
If you want magnificent outcomes to everything you do, then you have to use the law that governs outcomes, the law of attraction. That means you have to use your thoughts and feelings to attract magnificent outcomes to you, and being grateful for magnificent outcomes is one of the simplest ways to do it.
Yes, so now today is the opportunity to convert every moment of your life, every hope that you have, into reality. Whatever, so this para tells us that whatever feelings or things you are projecting, you're giving it to the universe, you're attracting that. Just be in that, just understand this mechanism, this law which is working. Whatever you're projecting, it's you attracting those situations in your life. So now, little bit before that thing is actually going to happen, you have to just be, attentive, be aware, pause at that moment, give a magnificent outcome so that you attract that only in your life. Because the law of attraction governs, it says, whatever you give, it comes back to you. The circle is started by you only. So my invitation to all of you is just bring in one situation where you have been feeling, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि you are stuck in that situation. वो मतलब वो आगे मूव नहीं हो रहा है, और आप सोचो कि आपकी थॉट कैसी है. What are your vibrations towards that situation? Maybe in the area of money, business, relationship, anywhere. Just think, just bring that at the surface of your mind right now. एक बार सिर्फ कोई भी एक सिचुएशन को, एक पर्सन को आप एक बार just bring it in your mind just now, and then let's read the chapter. Yes.
The magnificent outcomes practice is being grateful before you do something you want to go well. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to the work meeting, job interview, or exam. The magnificent outcome to the sports game, phone call, catch up with a friend, or seeing your mother-in-law. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to your exercise routine, your pet's vet appointment, or your medical or dental checkup. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome when an electrician, plumber, or any trade person is addressing a problem in your home. The magnificent outcome to a family outing, conversation with your child about their behavior, or a heart to
heart with your partner.
Or heart to heart with your partner.
Yes, so we'll pause here once. So instead of carrying the fear or doubt or lack of something, you can actually, I'm telling you, this really works very beautifully, very, very beautifully it works. And so, I mean, before something is, instead of projecting the fear or that negative thought about anything, whatever is going to happen in your life. So let me give you an example. Supposing I want to do my own yoga practice, before starting my practice, I just give a magnificent outcome that today, whatever poses I'm going to do, I will be able to hold it to the maximum, and I will be able to go into that pose completely, and my breaths will be longer, and I will have a very, very beautiful experience. I will go beyond my mind, and I will go beyond time and space, and I will be in a different space. Now, this is the outcome I've given before I'm actually going to do my yoga practice. And then just close my eyes and then visualize that this is happening. Visualization, if you add to this, it becomes really powerful. Just by saying the words do have a power, just by thinking the words do have power, but when you visualize, then it really adds on, it becomes thousandfold. So then I shut my eyes and then I'm visualizing myself doing the poses which I'm not able to do. I'm doing Shirshasana without the support of the wall. I'm doing my Surya Namaskaras. I can do today 108 Surya Namaskaras, or maybe yesterday I did 54, so today I can do 72. Just give a magnificent outcome like that. And believe me, it does work. It really happens. You don't know from where the cells in the body are actually eavesdropping to every thought. हमारी जो body की कोशिकाएं हैं, जो एक-एक कोशिकाएं हैं, वो हमारे feelings को, हमारे thoughts को, हमारे words को, उन्हें वो सबको register कर रहे हैं. So then it goes and gets registered in your cells, and then actually it starts unfolding. So you can use this. This is one example I gave you. You can use this for anything, whether you're going for a meeting, or fear रहता है ना, or you're going for a job interview. And then you start thinking, oh, what will happen if I won't be able to answer the questions? Or what will happen if my client will not agree, and I will not get this order from the client? Or so many things, and we start creating magnificent outcomes already. So now you have to, not magnificent outcomes, but we create negative outcomes already. So what is the opposite of that? Magnificent outcome. Instead of thinking, and then that thing actually happens, isn't it? Yes, no, anybody?
Yes.
So now
Yes.
why not use it for a higher purpose? Why not use it for a higher purpose? We have the power. Power to hai. वो सबको पता है कि power है. Now let's use that power for creating some beautiful experiences, adding some different values to our life. If you have kids, if they're going for an exam, just tell them. We always tell them, na, if sab acha hoga, everything will be fine. You will be able to answer your question paper properly. But maybe at times we're saying superficially. This chapter will teach us how to actually feel it, because this is all about the feeling world. Whatever we are experiencing since day zero, this world is all about feelings. So you have to feel it. How do you feel it? By more and more visualization. जितना आप imagine कर पाओगे, उतना आपकी feeling और deep होती जाएगी. So even for, if you have a fear that supposing I'm going for a test right now, and what if my tests are positive? Instead of that, give a magnificent outcome. I'm fine. I'm running. And don't say that my test is negative. Don't say that, because वो करने से आप क्या कर रहे हो? You're giving a different outcome. What you're giving to the universe, that कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, इसके कारण negative आने वाला है. No. Instead of that, go one step ahead and say that if you're doing it for yourself, I'm running a marathon. If you're doing for others, your close relatives, say that we both are running a marathon together. We are going for a holiday together. Just see the future with that person. Just see the future with yourself. That is the magnificent outcome. Is everyone understanding this?
Yes.
Yes, somebody said no. Everybody understood this now?
Yes.
Yeah. So these are very, very small examples which happen in our day-to-day life. Like supposing there's a breakdown of electricity in the house and we need to call an electrician, or there's no water supply, then just give a magnificent outcome that the electrician just arrived and everything is fine. Or if there's some spark in the main supply, something where the main board where in a house and there's a spark which has come. So the mind starts going into that fearful state. Whenever the mind goes into that fearful state of the unknown, which is not yet actually happened, and fear is always false evidence appearing real. Just remember, whenever the fear comes, just say to your mind, it's false. It is, the evidence is being created in my mind and it is appearing real to my mind, but it's not real. So like that, so when you give a magnificent outcome, everything everything negative actually dissolves. Okay, anybody has experienced this? Those who have done this session earlier, have you used this magnificent outcome for anything and you've experienced anything?
I have experienced it, Shikaya.
Okay.
Not done the magnificent outcome, but I have experienced it with my yoga practice. That whatever I think, especially in the case of fear, if you say, fear is actually the outcome of, it's the state of mind, which makes you feel it is all real. But the moment I tell it to myself, this is just my fear, which is overpowering, and I need this to just settle down. I don't want it to come over me. It actually works. The fear is going away from me. I feel confident. I feel nice. So the magnificent outcome is a part. That part is a part of the magnificent outcome.
Yes. So now you know how to not say that, however you, the words you use. Now you can say and say some positive thing that it is there. So first, anything unexpected happens now. The first thought is that, for you, for taking this example of yours, now you can, before you actually start, you can give a magnificent outcome for everything going well. I can do all the poses don't say without any fear. I can do all the poses confidently. Don't say, you don't use, so what you don't want now, don't use those words. Okay. So just remember this one thing. Whatever we do. Yeah, somebody wants to say anything?
Vandana ji, I've started saying it like that to me. I'm blessed to be fit, fine and healthy.
Yeah, very good, very good. And the gift of health is keeping me alive. So that also really works.
वरना से पहले नेगेटिव थॉट्स बहुत आते थे और फियर भी रहता था कि कुछ बुरा होगा, कुछ वो होगा, समथिंग, पर अब कॉन्फिडेंस है और कुछ सब अच्छा ही होगा, वो मन में बैठ गया है, तो फिर पॉजिटिव भी हो गई हूँ.
Yes.
After this practice, 3 month practice.
Yeah. So actually, Hina ji, जो आपने उस समय अपनी daughter-in-law और daughter के लिए किया था, actually आपने एक magnificent outcome डाल दिया था उस समय. Remember what you did?
Yes,
after
the magic dust and the visualization and magic dust.
Yeah, और एक unconsciously एक magnificent outcome भी डाल दिया था. So today's chapter is going to tell us a complete sentence how you can create magnificent outcomes. Okay. So कई बार हम unconsciously करते हैं पर करते जरूर है, हमें पता भी नहीं होता है पर हम जरूर करते हैं. So yes. And this is the law of cause and effect is working over here. You are causing that thing to happen and the effect is always, always, always magnificent. इसीलिए इसका नाम है magnificent outcome. The law of cause and effect works over here beautifully. हर चीज के cause हम ही हैं और उसका effect भी हमें ही मिलता है. Okay, so let's read further. You could be grateful.
You could be grateful for magnificent outcome to a purchase you will be making, such as a birthday gift, engagement ring, or a wedding dress, or the magnificent outcome to choosing a new cell phone, new carpet, drapes, or renovation company. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome for a reservation at a restaurant, or great seats for the concert, the magnificent outcome to your daily mail, your daily emails, or your tax refund for the year.
Yes, so you can use this magnificent outcome for all these things. Isn't it interesting? You're going to buy a dress for yourself. You're going to meet, you're going to meet a person. You're going to meet a person whom you, I mean, when you are going to get engaged, you're going to meet a person, a life partner. So just give a magnificent outcome before that. Or choosing a new cell phone. We all have doubts and we start doubting ourselves. So to just give a full stop to the doubt element in our mind, this magnificent outcome really works beautifully. Any fear, any doubt, any uncertainty, any dissatisfaction, all these words will disappear when you start using the magnificent outcome. So all these examples which we are reading, reservation at a restaurant or great seats for a concert, that maybe, for some of us, or maybe some of us not, maybe for some of us it's there, what if I won't? What if I won't receive? What if I don't be successful? So at that time, just pause and say that it is. Remember, it is. I am. These are the real powerful words. Okay, I must. I can. So then this is actually, the outcomes which come, the result is really beautiful, and whatever is your desirable result, it is there in front of you because you only caused it to happen. आपने ही start किया है और आपके पास ही वो वापस घूम के end होगा. Please continue.
If it helps you to believe in the magical power of gratitude to create a magnificent outcomes, you can wave your fingers through the air and imagine you're sprinkling magic dust over the event you want to turn out magnificently.
So this is one more added bonus we are getting from this chapter. You can just wave your fingers through the air. Doesn't matter if somebody is looking at you, what will the other person think, what will the other person say? Don't be conscious of that. Just do this. Just do this. If people are there around you, just give this magical dust to them also. Wave your fingers in the air and give to them also, so that their doubt also goes away. Yes.
Another time to use gratitude for magnificent outcome is when something unexpected
happens during your day.
When something unexpected happens, very often we can jump to conclusion and immediately think there's something wrong. For example, you arrive at work and are told that the boss wants to see you right away. The problem with jumping to the conclusion and thinking there's something wrong is that the law of attraction says that what you think and feel, you will attract to you. So instead of jumping to conclusion and thinking you might be in trouble, take the opportunity to make the magic happen by being grateful for the magnificent outcome.
Please continue.
If you miss your bus or a train on your way to work, or miss a flight, or are unexpectedly delayed, instead of thinking this is bad, be grateful for the magnificent outcome so that you put the magic into motion to receive a magnificent outcome.
Yeah. So actually you can use this. Supposing you are on your way to the airport or you are on your way to the station and you feel that you are late and you're delayed and you feel that, oh, what is the talking which is going in the mind? Oh, will I be able to catch my flight or not? Will I miss my flight? Will I miss my train? And then that whole ball sets into motion. You're starting that circle. So stop doing this. Don't do this. But at that time, what you can do is, it's fine if you are late. You tried your level best, but now what you're going to do is, I am reaching on time. I have reached on time, and start visualizing you are in the flight, you are going wherever, in business meeting or anywhere, or holiday, vacation, and you are there, you're right there. So start visualizing the future instead of spoiling your current moment, your present moment. Okay, so this is what the whole science behind this chapter is. Yes. If you are a parent and you ask to attend,
If you are a parent and you ask to attend an unexpected meeting at school about your child, instead of thinking there's a problem, be grateful for the magnificent outcome. If you receive an unexpected phone call, email, or a letter, and the thought flashes into your mind, I wonder what's wrong. Immediately be grateful for the magnificent outcome before you pick up the call or open the email or letter.
so this is, we all are doing this 24/7, isn't it? Everyone.
Yes.
And so now, so what I was thinking was, why not start our day with a magnificent outcome? So each day when you wake up, when you are on your bed, you can say this: today, wherever I go, I'm going to bring in joy, happiness, success into every person and situation. So just say this in the morning, feel it, because that time our feelings are really at a higher space. You know, the frequency of our feelings is really, really beautiful. The vibration is really high. So that time, just give a magnificent outcome for the entire day. Today, wherever I go, you can create anything for yourself. Also, whatever you feel is right for you. So today, wherever I go, I am bringing, not will bring, I am bringing joy, happiness, success to every person and in every situation. Then see how your day goes. Please continue.
Most of the time, you will see and experience the magnificent outcome you asked for, and occasionally you won't even know how you benefited from an unexpected event. But when you ask for a magnificent outcome and feel sincerely grateful for it, you're using the mathematical law of attraction, and you must receive a magnificent outcome back somewhere at some time, guaranteed.
Yes, so let's this is a really, really important para. So let's take an example. Supposing you are going to do any work and you want to be successful, and you really want to be successful. So only two things are required. One is your kismat is there, and the second is your hard work. So destiny and hard work. So if you if you fulfill both these, because destiny is 50% and hard work is 50%. Okay, it's not that you are not doing anything and you're giving magnificent outcome and you just you feel it's going to happen. No, it's not going to happen. That hard work is also required. Okay, so the action is also required. So just remember, whenever something, even when a negative thought comes in the mind, just remember these two things in your life. The destiny plays a role, that is kismat, and hard work, mehnat. So kismat and mehnat both go hand in hand. It's not that if you do one and you will be able to be successful, or if you do one more of one. So supposing आपको लगेगा कि मेरी किस्मत ही अच्छी नहीं है, होने ही वाला नहीं है ये कुछ, मुझे ऐसा ही लगता है कि मैं जो भी कुछ करती हूँ होता ही नहीं है. So what have you done? Just tell me, anyone, what have you done?
We've put that in the universe.
Yes.
Already thrown it to the universe. So
you've already given it to the universe, and the universe says, your wish is my command.
We receive it back.
You will receive it back, definitely. So now you have you have something very beautiful you can access. Something very beautiful is there. Some beautiful option is there in front of you. Okay, because of my old habit, I might say it again in future, but then just pause. Change that. You can change your destiny. It's there in your hands. How? By just giving a magnificent outcome. Whatever you said, reverse that. Reverse that, whatever you've said. And then go and proceed and do the actions. actually, you know what is going to happen when you give a magnificent outcome? Your energies will start moving towards it because you've started the flow of energy. We are in the energy world, so let's understand in those terms. When you give a magnificent outcome, you are giving those positive energies, and those energies start moving and they reach where they are supposed to reach and they come back to you. So just imagine this, just visualize this, and it's as beautiful as you heard just now. It really works.
Vandana ji, can I share a small thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can
So
we complete the chapter and then you can share? Yeah.
Yes,
because-
yes.
Yeah.
It is very beautiful and related, so I can share it with you later.
Yeah. Okay. So it's guaranteed that you will receive a magnificent outcome back somewhere at some time. Maybe at that moment, if you are expecting, it will not come. But remember, you've already set the ball into motion. If you have really felt it deeply, agar aapki feeling bilkul without any doubt, without, there is complete faith, then you have actually set the ball into motion. There is a possibility where some of us fall back, is that you are giving a magnificent outcome, but you're giving that magnificent outcome with an element of fear. वो fear abhi bhi hai. If that is there, then the outcome will be like that only, because your feeling is really important. You're saying it in words, but your feeling is of fear, of lack, of discontentment, of anything, any negative thing, disappointment. And on top of that, if you're giving a magnificent outcome with that feeling, because your body is vibrating at a different frequency and your words are different, so which wins? The feelings win. Always the feelings will win. Always. Feelings will always win, and the manifestation will be according to what you're feeling. That's the reason we keep on visualizing, because when you visualize, you feel it real. You're visualizing on all positive things, right? We don't visualize on negative things. So if you're visualizing, then it becomes real. You already set the ball into motion, and it's going to be magnificent, no matter whatever anybody says, but it's going to be magnificent. It's going to be beautiful. The outcome will always be beautiful. Yes, please continue.
Whenever you find yourself thinking there's a chance at a play with something in your life, or thinking you have no control over something, or when you find yourself hoping something will turn out well, remember that there's no chance for law of attraction. You will get what you're thinking and feeling. Gratitude helps protect you from attracting what you don't want, bad outcomes, and it ensures you get what you do want, magnificent outcomes.
So beautiful. Gratitude protects you from attracting what you don't want, bad outcomes, and it leads us into a magnificent outcome. So when you're giving a magnificent outcome, actually, let's see now, how do we start the sentence? Yes, please continue.
When you're grateful for magnificent outcomes, you are using universal law and changing hopes and chance into faith and certainty. When gratitude becomes your way of life, you automatically go into everything you do with gratitude, knowing that the magic of gratitude will produce.
Yeah.
Knowing.
Did I click twice?
Hanji. Knowing
magic
that
of gratitude will produce a magnificent outcome. And then
if
the more you practice magnificent outcomes,
the more you practice magnificent outcomes and make it daily habit, the more magnificent outcomes you will attract into your life. Less and less you will find yourself in situations that you don't want to be in. You won't find yourself in wrong place at wrong time. And no matter what happens in your day, you will know with absolute certainty that the outcome will be magnificent.
Yeah, so it's all about practice again, that the more and more you get into the daily habit, the less and less you will find yourself in situations that you don't want them to happen. and you will not land up in the wrong place at the wrong time, and your day will be beautiful because you're attracting that in your life. And the power of gratitude, it becomes like a catalyst, it increases your speed, so that you are, so whenever you are starting, so this is the line we are going to just, let's read this line at the beginning of today. Yeah.
At the beginning of today, choose 3 separate situations where you would like magnificent outcomes. You can choose 3 things that are important to you in your life currently, such as a job interview coming up, an application for a loan, an exam, or doctor's appointment. You can also start by selecting 3 things that are normally humdrum activities for you. Because when magic happens to those humdrum activities, you will be really convinced that you attracted the magnificent outcome. For example, you could choose you drive to work, doing the ironing, going to the bank or post office, picking up the kids, paying the bills, or collecting the mail.
Yes, so at the beginning of the day, remember everyone, at the beginning of the day, after this session, you're going to choose 3 separate situations where you would like to have these magnificent outcomes. You want these outcomes to be in your favor. So you can choose from anything. आपको अगर कोई किसी client से बात करना है, or you're going to for a loan application, your exam or doctor's appointment. For me, I can think that I can give a magnificent outcome, for the session which I'm going to, my yoga session which I'm going to take, and whoever is taking the class will feel really happy, beautiful, light, joyful after the session. So like this, you can just create a magnificent outcome. Somebody who's in pain, so there somebody who's having joint pain, and before the session I just give a magnificent outcome that their joint pains will completely is dissolved completely, and I'm seeing that person happy and joyful. I'm visualizing that person happy and joyful. So then it works. It's not that I just, it could also happen that you just create a magnificent outcome, that it will be, I create a magnificent outcome for a beautiful day, and then you sleep throughout the day. No, that's not going to work. You have to do some action also. So you're doing an action. So remember, Kismat and Mehnat. That Mehnat part is really important. Okay. Then with that part only you create the magnificent outcome. Yeah. Humdrum activities means the daily activities जो हम दिन भर में करते हैं ना, जो शायद हमें boring लगती हो, तो उसके लिए अगर हम डाल दें तो it really works. Yes. Make a
written list of 3 situations you have chosen for magnificent outcomes. Use gratitude's magical power, and as you write each one, imagine that you're writing about each one after it has happened. Thank you for the magnificent outcome, dash.
Yeah. So everybody got, it starts with the word gratitude. Thank you. And just pause. Thank you. Say it with feelings. The moment you say this, of course, now a lot of feeling has been added to this word, and we know. Now see the reason for the magnificent outcome to whatever it is. Okay. Has everybody understood? Have you found one thing for yourself or 3 things for yourself?
Yeah.
Yes.
Lovely,
Yes.
lovely. Very good. Now let's continue. For the second step. So
For
this
the
is the first step. Now the second step is?
For the second step of this magical practice, you are going to choose 3 unexpected things that arise today and use the magical power of gratitude for their magnificent outcome as well. You could do this practice
before you take
3 phone calls, or before you open 3 emails, or 3 letters in the mail, before you do an unexpected earn, or anything else unexpected that comes up in the day. The part of the practice is not so much about what unexpected events you choose as it is about you practicing gratitude for magnificent outcomes on the little unexpected things. Each time an unexpected event arises, close your eyes briefly if you can and mentally say and feel the magic words. Thank you for the magnificent outcome. Dash.
Yeah. Please continue.
You can't do this magical practice too much because the more you practice it, the more magnificent outcomes you will have in your life. As a matter of course, but practicing it today will get you into the idea of it. And in the future, you ever find yourself in a situation where you're hoping for a good outcome or thinking you need luck, you will immediately turn to the magical power of gratitude and make a magnificent outcomes a certainty in your life.
Yes. So when you are writing, as if you imagine, make a written list of 3 situations, you've chosen that, then you write each one and imagine that you're writing after it has happened. So you're going into the future already, you've stepped into the future, and you are saying thank you for the magnificent outcome. So there is no expectation, it is real. You've entered the real world already. And supposing is if, so you have written it and you've written it in the state of surrender. It has happened. Not that you are having a doubt. This is very important. Just check your thoughts when you're doing it. If it's not happening, then you need to go back and check your thoughts. That is there surrender, or am I checking on it whether it's happening or not? मतलब मैंने पूरा surrender कर दिया है, मुझे पूरा faith है, trust है कि वो हो गया है मेरे साथ. With that trust and faith, you're going to write this, because your feeling is really important. See the next page, it says that mentally say and feel the magic words. For what? So supposing, for the examples are given, supposing you are expecting a phone call today, and somebody is going through a tough time, and you are constantly, that person is in your mind, chalte ja raha, and then supposing a phone call comes, the phone rings, the bell rings, or in your cell phone, and you immediately think, I don't know, something, kuch dimag mein aata hai. So then before you take the phone call, very important for you to understand this, not ki jab wo phone mein baat kar rahe tab dalna hai. Before you take the phone call, close your eyes for a second. Don't take the call. Close your eyes for a second and then visualize that thank you for the magnificent outcome, for the great happy news coming to me from this phone call or from the email or some letters. I don't think so we receive letters now, much of it, maybe not, but most of it goes in the online. Everything is online, so that is there. Or supposing you are, something you want, something which you have a doubt of, and you have to do that thing. Okay, some work is there, and you're feeling what is going to happen, things are going to work the way which I want. So all that doubt element is coming, then just give a magnificent outcome for that thing, that it is fine, it is there. It is there, the outcome is there. And what kind of outcome? Magnificent outcome. This word is really beautiful. Thank you. And just remember these lines, every word you're going to write it in the same way. Thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. And feel it, visualize it, close your eyes, shut your eyes, do it. And then see how more and more magical, more magnificent outcomes will come on your way. Your day will be lined up with such magnificent outcomes, but the practice is the key. So now we have the access to this beautiful thing. If you are in a situation where you are hoping to, you are in a doubt whether this will go good or not, whether I'll be able to find a suitable life partner for myself or not. If this is coming, then before that, every day, it's very beautiful to start your day giving a magnificent outcome. Just say this, thank you for the magnificent outcome of so much of joy, happiness, and freedom, or whatever is coming in your way, just whatever you're remembering that time, just say that and believe that it has happened. So you've asked for it, you have believed it is there, and then you receive it. And then you add one more element, which is visualization. And you can give in more affirmations also to it. Okay, so just make things for yourself. Each one of you are going to work for yourself, because now the chapters are really experiential. From now onwards, I think it was started from the heart magic, which was yesterday. The chapters are really going to be experiential, and if you really can experience, visualize for yourself, not only now when you're doing the magical practice, but throughout the day, be with this practice today, and let's see how many magnificent outcomes will come in our life. So yeah, let's read the magical practice.
Magical practice number 21. Magnificent outcomes. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful for. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for the blessing as you can. Number 2. At the beginning of the day, choose 3 things or situations that are important to you where you want magnificent outcomes. Number 3. List your 3 things and write each one as though you are writing after it has happened. Thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. Number 4. As you go through your day, choose 3 unexpected events that come up in your day where you can be grateful for a magnificent outcome. Each time, close your eyes and mentally say and feel, thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. Number 5. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing happened during the day. Thank you.
Thank you, Reed, for reading so beautifully for us.
Thank you.
So I would like to add one thing over here. When you're writing count your blessings now, what you can do is when you're rereading the list, then you can combine it with the heart magic also. Okay, so the heart magic, you just place your right palm on the heart and feel, as we did for the top 10 dreams. So for the blessings also you can do this. Okay, so feeling it in your heart, and also end with thank you for the magnificent outcome of whatever. Or maybe thank you for the great news coming to me today. So now you can just do your own permutation, combination, kabhi ye kiya, kabhi wo kiya. Now you have to increase your count your blessings ka intensity also. So you've added heart magic with count your blessings. You can do this magnificent outcome, and also you can do thank you for the great news coming to me today. So just don't end with count your blessings, okay? Because when we read again, then you can add in more feelings. And actually, what are you doing when you're creating magnificent outcomes? The science behind is that you are actually re-scripting your life. आप अपनी life की script को change कर रहे हो. Life मतलब day by day, moment by moment, you are changing it, and you have the power to do it. Because, and how do you have the power? By entering into your feeling world, feeling it completely. Feeling is really important, because a change of feeling is a change of destiny. आपने feelings को change कर दी, आपने अपनी किस्मत को change किया. It's so powerful. So now see how you're feeling. Since we are into the feeling world, now you have to really be aware of your feelings. What are you feeling? Are you saying something and feeling something? Are you feeling something and saying something? Just be aware of it. Your feelings are really important. Okay, and this practice will take you more and more deeper into your feeling world. Because before, the thing is, so many times in a day you will be visualizing, not only once, which we are doing in the morning, not only in the night when you're doing your magic rock practice, but through the day you're going to do this. Yes, so it's written 3 unexpected events that come in your day. So supposing the doorbell rings and you'll wonder who has come now, in the night, supposing the doorbell rings, or somebody calls you in the night, in the middle of the night at 1:30, 12 or 2 o'clock, you get a call. In that space, to remember to just close your eyes and thank you for the magnificent outcome of beautiful news, or some, whatever you can just add on to it. Whatever comes in, whatever is your feeling at that time. So you have to change your feeling by giving this magnificent outcome. I hope it's clear to everyone.
Yes.
Anything not understood, please ask me now, because now onwards the chapters are very intensive. So if anything is unclear, please ask, because this is what we are going to use in our day-to-day life now to bring more and more gratitude and bring more and more magics in our life. Yes. So, yeah. Anything you want to ask? Anybody? Before we go into the
Ma'am,
sharing? Yes.
in this it said that don't try to, repeat,
Little loudly,
do it again and again.
Ishitaji, little loudly.
Yeah, you can hear now.
Little loudly. Still, it's
More
soft.
louder.
Only.
Oh,
Yeah.
now
Yeah. Speak
better.
something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Better. Better.
Okay. So yeah, so in this, it just one para, it said that don't try to repeat it like again and again, like not too many times. So for example, like yesterday, I was like helping mom in kitchen. So I was like, मतलब रोटी एकदम mom के जैसा नहीं होता, right? So I just started and I was like, I give that gratitude, happiness, and it should spread and everything. Whomsoever eats it, it should get the happiness and peaceful calmness, etc. But then I even said that my rotis today should turn exactly like mom. I shouldn't feel any difference, aisa. So they have become like that. So I said that. Again, when I made a pudding for my mom yesterday, it was Mother's Day, so I said the same thing, that it should turn out it has turned out really good. So thank you for that. So I keep doing it for small things, and it does work also. So am I not supposed to do it for everything, or what? Like it just
No,
said.
no, it's really beautiful what you just shared. That's the whole
Okay.
purpose. That's the whole
Okay.
purpose. It said 3 things. It's not 3 things. You can give magnificent outcomes
Okay.
to everything.
Okay.
But of course, I'm sure that we will not use our magnificent outcomes for negative things, what we want in other people's life. I'm sure none of
Yeah,
us will like to do that.
Hmm.
But what you're doing is really beautiful, really, really beautiful.
Okay.
So all
And
of us
it
can
turned
do
out really good. Like I just gave that happiness and everything. And normally, if I turn out to do something good and all, so then suddenly like she'll remember that and she'll cry and something. But yesterday she was like all good. She was very happy. She didn't cry at all. So I was like, good. It worked.
Nice,
And it even
nice.
turned out well. Like always, the Opeka chocolate garnish I make, it used to not come good. And today yesterday it really came up well, and it got set also really well. So I was so happy.
Wow, wow.
ऋषभ
Even the rotis
कांग्रेचुलेशन
were
इसी
exactly
तक
same.
रोटी आ गई बनाना
अरे मुझे रोटी आती है, लेकिन वो एकदम मॉम का फील नहीं आता है ना. So I just wanted that feel in it. Like it should, मतलब obviously mom makes, उसका love and everything is different, but I just want to be her, shadow in a way.
Yeah,
And
so
learn
it
it
is
exactly like her.
wow. So you know how to do it, and practice is the key.
Yeah, practice is the key.
Yeah.
Along with little magic, a key ingredient, secret.
Along with lots of magic, not little magic,
Yes.
lots of magic. Now we are in the magical world, and it's magic. It's raining magic everywhere. It's
Yes.
raining magic. So feel that, feel it. And our mind again, because it's not, I mean, it is like that because our conditioning is like that. Even if there is a lot of happiness and you have a doubt, is it really happening? How am I so happy? How am I so joyful even in this space where the world around is so uncertain, everything this, and again you go into that space. So again you have to pull yourself back from that space. So like
Yeah.
that, just and being gratitude for every small things, being grateful, being thankful, saying grace. So this chapter it started with this now, that saying grace before your meals. Till now we were putting magic dust and saying thank you before our meals, before having water, before having food. But now everything, whatever good is also happening, so just just feel it and say that it is the truth. So all your truths will change now. ओके
Right.
सबका अलग जो ट्रूथ 10 साल पहले था, जो 5 साल पहले था, जो 2 साल पहले था, जो 3 महीना पहले था, जो 1 महीना पहले था, now it's completely different. And you will make, nobody else is doing for you, only you are making it happen for you. It's not that somebody is doing a magic, कोई ऊपर से कोई मैजिक कर रहा है, नहीं, you have created that for you. You are the cause of it, and the effect also will come in your life. Cause and effect, the law of cause and effect is working. The law of attraction is working. The law of gravity is working. So we are getting in touch with all these laws, you know, जो हमने कभी ठीक है पढ़ा था, सुना था, लेकिन अब हम महसूस कर रहे हैं. We are feeling it now. And because now this book is, the beauty of this book is that you feel, you know, हम लोग, we are feeling beings actually. We all are feeling beings and we are feeling it. So now we are getting into the truth of what we are. So very beautiful what you shared, Ishita ji, very beautiful. And anybody else wants to share?
Even
ma'am,
negatively, you know, like yesterday it happened. Like I was sleeping in the afternoon. I just slept like hardly 5 minutes हुआ but I really went into a deep sleep. And suddenly my uncle called. And जैसे I woke up and like ये time पे ये क्यों call कर रहे हैं? There's something wrong. ऐसा immediately अपने आप ही आ गया. मतलब तभी तो इतना I was sleepy कि मुझे ये realize नहीं हुआ कि I should, you know, not think in a wrong sense or something like that. And suddenly he actually gave a very shocking news. The whole day I was in it. I'm like, oh shit. Because one of his friend's son, whom I had talked for this marriage thing once, but we were like, we knew each other, like uncle I knew, but not the son. So suddenly he's like, कि वो तो उधर California में है, and he is now on ventilator. He's almost like only 2-3 years elder to me. And I was so shocked only because of the astrological thing. It didn't match, so it didn't work. So we still ended up in a good note. Like we'll be friends and all. We talked also after that कि कैसा है and all that. He also recently got engaged, so I was so happy कि चलो हो गया उसका भी ऐसे. And then suddenly that news, and the whole day, like I and mom also, I'm like shit यार मैंने वो खराब लगे थे. I'm like, I was feeling so bad that he's really nice, and why that bad with him like that. Then I started then I told mom नहीं कल तो सुबह तो मैं visualization I'll imagine him and I'll give him all the energy and everything I could. And even right now I'm just saying you know he's fine ऐसे करके. I'm just imagining now I'm talking to him after few days, and he's so perfectly fine that we talked also once.
Yeah. So did you imagine, did you remember to give him magic dust yesterday?
No, actually I just got so shocked. Now I couldn't really do anything after that.
Really work. Magic
Now
dust.
you can do it. Right now you can just shut your eyes and give him magic dust and see a future that he's talking to you, since you said you were both good friends, and you know you were talking afterwards also, and he got engaged. So then you can just, you know, just our friendship is there, and you know we are talking and he's sharing, and you know just those happy moments you are celebrating.
Yeah, I did that. Like I passed the golden light in a way. Like okay, so that obviously that's a magic dust.
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
Okay.
So lovely. So just now you can give a magnificent outcome.
Yeah.
Magnificent outcome for the perfect health of the name of that person.
Yes.
Okay, and close your eyes and visualize that he is now in the visualization. Don't say he's off the ventilator. Don't say that.
Okay.
Just visualize that he's running a marathon. That's the best thing to visualize.
Yeah,
a person will run a marathon only if he's fit and fine and fit to its highest. You know, the person should be really fit to the ideal state of fitness. Then only you can run a marathon. So just visualize that. Okay. Yeah. Yes.
Ma'am, I would like to share.
Yeah.
पिछले 10 दिनों से जो हम हीलिंग पावर्स वगैरह जो कर रहे हैं, हीलिंग द मदर अर्थ, I was healing the 2 person, मतलब giving my golden light to 2 person. मैंने कभी उनसे मिला नहीं, कभी मैं उनसे मिली नहीं हूँ, मगर I know that he is the son of this uncle and this uncle. They both are between 25 to 30 years age. One is in Ahmedabad, one is in USA. Both went on coma, on ventilators. And कल मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा न्यूज़ मिला कि एक ने अपनी आँख खोली है and he is recovering. I
Wow.
felt so good कि मैं
Wow.
रोज जब भी हम सुबह में ये हीलिंग करते हैं और हम शाम को भी कलेक्टिव प्रेयर्स करते हैं घर पे, all 6 of us. तो कल मैं कभी मिली नहीं उनसे, बट I was जब मुझे ये न्यूज़ मिली I was feeling so मतलब कुछ ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही थी कि इतने छोटे बच्चे हैं, एक की शादी अभी हुई है, एक अभी एंगेज हुआ है रिसेंटली, और दोनों बच्चे इतने छोटे हैं और इन लोगों को ऐसे इतना, बट आई स्टार्टेड गिविंग देम पावर्स एंड कल एक का बहुत अच्छा गुड न्यूज मिला कि हाँ ही हैज आंखें उसने खोल ली है और ही इज रियली वेरी रिकवरिंग ऑन द रिकवरिंग स्टेज.
Wow, wow, really beautiful. Awesome.
And today I felt that it is magnificent outcome of my healing powers. मतलब मैंने उसको इतना हील किया है, तो वो उसने हाथ खोल दिए से.
हाँ, so ये जो अभी आपने बोला magnificent outcome of my healing power, just change this.
Okay.
Just change this. What?
Thank you for the magnificent outcome to that boy. I don't know his name also. One name I know, to Shreyu, for getting recovering fast, and he's running a marathon.
Yeah.
Okay.
For its perfect health. For its perfect health, and he's running a marathon. And visualize, and if you can find out the name, then you will you will be able to connect with the name, the energies of that person. Then the speed will increase. Actually, that's the reason.
I just know that he's Batuk uncle's son.
So that is also fine. If you can see the picture, then really works. It really works. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you. Yeah. Yesterday's second good news was this.
Wonderful sharing. Wonderful. Yes. Yes. Shikha ji, you wanted to share something?
Yeah. Vandana, like it's similar to this. I actually write those thank you for a wonderful day today. Thank you for after my blessings, I write that. And I have started, visualizing this. My day is very nice, love energy throughout the day I feel. And when I put this into my vision, when I visualize this, I actually feel this throughout the day. That is what I wanted to share at that time. It actually works magically.
Yeah.
डाला है और visualize किया है और वो वैसे ही हो रहा है.
Yes.
And also I'd like to share this. My cook has been unwell since 21 days. Hospitalized था, उसको pancreatitis का problem है. So उसको admit किया, बहुत loopholes हुए बीच में, उसको COVID हो गया, hospital से दूसरे hospital shift करना. His condition was not very stable with the pancreatitis. COVID is fine, but I had that fear कि उसके छोटे बच्चे हैं, उसको गांव भेज दो, वो ठीक रहे, ठीक हो तो गांव भेजूं. तो कल उसको better feel हुआ, and in the night I suddenly woke up and I gave him this golden light, magic dust. I sprinkled on him. I am expecting a very good news from the doctor's side today. I'm actually expecting कि डॉक्टर उसको नॉर्मल वार्ड में शिफ्ट कर देंगे, उसको कोविड वार्ड में से, क्योंकि कोविड वार्ड में है तो उसको केईएम में कोई देखने नहीं जा रहा है, फिजिकली उसको टच करने, फिजिकली चेक करने. तो टुडे आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि उसका जो टेस्ट वगैरह पेंडिंग है, और वो सिर्फ 2 ही जगह होता है इंडिया में जो उसका टेस्ट होना है, विच इज some genetic test. तो मैं इससे वही एक्सपेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि उसके वो जेनेटिक टेस्ट जो भी है वो आज हो जाए, वो सही जो भी आना है ना वो आज हो जाए और वो सही सलामत अपने घर पहुंच जाए.
Okay, lovely. So then you can do today's practice is really appropriate for you. Thank you for the magnificent outcome of the name of your cook, and just tell whatever you want, whatever is the outcome you want.
I've done that right now only.
Wow, lovely. Awesome.
Thank you.
Lovely sharings. Wow. Yes, so it's 7 now, 7 minutes past 7. Would you like to do the visualization? If everybody is fine, we can go ahead.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes,
Okay.
today I definitely want to
Yes.
do.
Yes. Okay.
Me too.
इसके बिना तो सेशन खत्म ही नहीं करना है.
Yes, exactly.
So everybody, please mute yourselves. I want to try something, and I'm going to play a music, the mantra Om. Just let me know if the sound is there or not. Just write it on the chat, okay? Because I'm not sure whether the sound is reaching you or not. Is it there? सुनाई
No.
दे रहा है? नहीं ना?
No.
मुझे आ रहा है, सुनाई दे रहा है.
किसने
नहीं.
बोला
नहीं
ये?
म्यूजिक नहीं सुन.
सुनाई दे रहा है सबको?
नहीं
Yes.
म्यूजिक नहीं सुन दे रहे.
नहीं मैम.
नहीं सुना.
नो मैम.
अच्छा, कुछ लोगों को सुनाई दे रहा है, कुछ लोगों को नहीं दे रहा है. It's like that. Okay, now let me know. Okay. Now. अभी.
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now it is done.
Okay. So actually, Om, it was the first sound which was heard in the universe, and it is still being heard. Now you have to enter into that space where you will connect with this sound through this practice today. So let's focus on our breaths. Every inhalation is with Om, और हर exhalation Om के साथ में. And when you hear this tongue sound, then see what is happening to your breath. Are you pausing? कोई एक स्लाइड पॉज है उस जगह पे, या आपको इनहेलेशन लेने की जरूरत पड़ रही है और एक्सहेल करने की जरूरत पड़ रही है? Just at this pause, at this sound, there's a tongue sound which is coming. So carry on feeling the mantra Om as you inhale. And as you exhale, is there a pause after the inhalation? A slight pause. And is there a pause after the exhalation? Feel the sound of the mantra Om, which is the sound of Ishvara, which is the sound of the universe, which is the sound of God. This is the sound. It's beautifully said by sage Patanjali. Tasya Vachaka Pranava. Pranava is Om. Tasya is that. Vachaka is the sound. His sound is Om. This was given to us more than 3,000 years ago in the Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Tasya Vachaka Pranava. So when I'm hearing this in my body, the vibrations of the mantra Om, I'm experiencing Ishvara. I'm experiencing the presence of the God in every cell of my body. And the spaces between the cells are also feeling the vibration of the mantra Om. If you have crossed your legs, you can uncross your legs. Make yourself very, very comfortable. vibration of the mantra Om. Feel it in your hands, feel it in your fingertips, feel it in your center of the palms, feel it in your tongue, feel it in your ears. This vibration is now felt in your shoulders. Whichever parts of the body you're feeling it, that part of the body is smiling, is healed completely. Feel it in your genitals. Feel it in your lungs. Feel it in your buttocks. Feel the sound flowing in your thighs. Feel the sound, the vibration, the frequency of Om in your knees. Feel it in your ankles, heels, soles of the feet. Feel it in all the toes of your feet. Feel it in your nails. Feel it in your eyeballs and feel it in your heart. This sound flowing in your heart, in the energy field around your heart. And now, every time you are hearing the sound, there is a burst of golden light. A golden light burst हो रहा है. A burst of golden, happy, smiling, liquid light. And this light is bursting and flowing from your fingertips. Take your fingertips, take your palms higher in front of your chest, facing outward. Feel the smile, feel the bursts of golden light. Sometimes blue-white light, sometimes golden light. Bursting in different parts of your body. The presence of Ishvara. Mother Earth in front of you. Feel the entire Earth in front of you. And so many bursts of light, joy and happiness as you can see in front of you. You can see the magnificent outcome of the entire Earth being healed. Every person, every living being, every child, every man, every woman, everyone, you can bring in front of you somebody whom you know, and you want that person to be right there in front of you. Just feel the bursts of golden light in that person's body, mind, everywhere around, inside, below, above. Golden light bursting in the body and mind of that person. This sound flowing in the body and mind of that person. center, into the core of Mother Earth. The next few moments, you will not be listening to my voice. Just be with the voice, the frequency, the vibration of Ishvara. Focus in the center of your eyebrows and feel the burst of light there, a blue-white light. And give a magnificent outcome for whomever you want right now. Bring your palms down and touch whichever part of the body you want to. Don't think that I want to touch this part. Just let the palms flow there. Intuitively, you'll be guided to that part of the body. And then from that part, move your palms to the other parts, as each part of the body is connected to each other. Think that this entire body is a burst of golden light. As you touch, wherever you touch, you can feel the burst of light. Sometimes golden light, sometimes blue-white light. Just feel it wherever you are touching. Feel it. Feel the sound flowing there, the sound of Ishvara. Then just connect with the sound of your breaths, the sound of every inhalation, merging, becoming the sound of Om, merging with the sound of Om. Every exhalation merging with the sound of Om. I am inhaling Om, I am exhaling Om. I am inhaling Om, I am exhaling Om. I'm inhaling Om, and in the pause also Om, in the exhalation also Om, and in the pause also Om. Everything is Om. This sound, this sound. can feel the sound turning into golden yellow light. And I can feel the sound turning into blue-white light. Sound becoming light. Just staying in this space for as long as you feel like. Do not try to open your eyes, just stay as you are. Whenever you feel like, you can come out of this space. Just move your body a little bit, but not now. Just stay as you are in this space. Thank you.